Let's talk about Blush, the AI dating simulator that's currently going viral on TikTok and across social media. This app claims to bring real feelings into the world of AI dating. It's all about connecting with your favorite characters, sending unlimited messages, and even creating your own story with AI crushes. Once you open the app, you'll see a layout that looks a lot like Tinder. Blush is designed to help you practice relationship and dating skills in a fun and safe environment. You can chat, flirt, and explore different types of relationships without any pressure or fear of rejection. You can browse through profiles, which are AI generated, and instantly start chatting. If you want access to premium features like romantic roleplay, custom photos, voice messages, or smart AI responses, you'll need to upgrade. So overall, Blush AI is a creative and entertaining app for anyone who wants to explore AI companionship or boost their dating confidence. With a sleek design similar to Tinder and growing popularity on TikTok, it's definitely one of the most talked about AI dating simulators right now.